everyone! How would you like to buy some puppies? Here's one! Isn't he cute? His name is Fifi, or Doggy, or Cat, or whatever you want to name it when you buy it. So, yes, he's a lover. But he didn't get his shots yet, so keep your distance. And, right there, that's Daisy. But we'll get to her later, right after I start brushing your mustache. You know, the importance these days. Nobody ever cares about to brush their mustache. Well, that must be the reason why. Oh no. It fell.